Hey cooks, on the show today, we're going to do a grilled chicken sandwich with bacon and avocado on the Deik Contact Grill. What's interesting about this grill, it has interchangeable plates. So it has 2 plates for grilling and 2 for griddling. And I'm looking forward to trying this baby out. So join me as we make a grilled chicken sandwich with bacon and avocado. So this is the Deik Indoor Contact Griddle, and this is a really fun looking griddle. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Deik for sending this, and I'm really anxious to make us a delicious chicken sandwich. What's interesting about this griddle is it allows you to either grill or griddle. So you can make paninis, you can make our grilled chicken sandwiches. We're going to put our chicken on here and we're going to cook it like this right here on the grill. What's also great about it is there's a button here that you can lower this. So you can remove these plates and this becomes like your everyday griddle. I have some of these like griddles that I use for making pancakes. They are fantastic. And this becomes one of those by just removing these grill plates and putting on your griddle plates. Whoops, if I put it on the right way. And it becomes a grill. So you can make pancakes, all kinds of stuff on this just as a regular griddle. So we are going to first cook up our bacon on the griddle, and then we will switch it to the grill and we will grill our chicken as a regular contact grill with this. It also has a floating hinge here, so if you're making a panini, it will float on the top of your panini if you have a large sandwich. So when you take everything out of the box, you just want to wash this up. You want to hand wash it to protect this. The dishwasher is really hard on non-stick surfaces, as well as this is aluminum and it will pit. So hand wash it. It's very simple because it's nice and non-slip and comes clean really easy. It has really neat, easy to use controls. Just the time and your temperature. Very simple. Comes with your instruction guide and your warranty card. So the very first thing, let's cook us up some bacon. Bacon, right? I have the grill all heat up and it has nice heat out of it. I've used some of these other ones that open up like this and it seemed like I didn't get a lot of heat out of them. This one seems nice and hot. Woo! And I only have it up maybe on like an 8. Nice. Bacon. I have these cut in half just because I want to, there we go, there's the smell. I want to, put them on our bun, so I don't want a full long piece on there. Ooh, yeah. That smells so good.
That feels pretty good.
Yum. Smells really good. Let me turn it up a little bit. That's what I'm talking about. Yummy. So we're sizzling. The grill is working great. The only thing that I've noticed is that on this top one, there was a little bit of puddling of the grease. So I just lifted the handle a little bit and that made some of the grease drip down. There's a drip tray down there that it goes into, which is collecting a lot of the grease. It could be just the angle that I have, or my counter is not exactly level. But that worked pretty good when I did that. It seems to be cooking well. Like a lot of these contact grills, when you first put a cold food item on there, it takes a little bit for it to heat back up and recover. But it's pretty much standard for the other ones that I've used. Oh my gosh, it's looking really good. Mm-hmm. I like my bacon crispy. Eric doesn't like his as crispy, so mine I'll probably cook a little bit more than his. So Eric wants his off of here. This is the way he likes it. I'm gonna let mine cook slightly more just because that's how I am. Might kick a couple pieces here. Mine's looking pretty good though. That ticking you hear, there's a timer, so you can kind of hear the timer ticking. So I think these pieces are done for me. And let's see what we got here. That looks pretty good. I can tell you they all are pretty much cooking it evenly, so they're basically the pieces here and pieces here are all getting done pretty much at the same time. So it was great on that. So I'm going to switch out the plates and we're going to be cooking the chicken. Okay, Eric so nicely trimmed the chicken up. We just have some boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I have some kind of small buns. So we butterflied them and cut them into these pieces. I'm just going to really quick brush them with a little olive oil. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. That's a good start, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Then I'm going to take my favorite barbecue rub, which this I'm using Weber dry rub. And I'm just going to sprinkle our chicken with some rub. I don't really need to like salt these because this rub has quite a bit of salt in there. Just use your favorite barbecue rub, your favorite seasoning blend, or just salt and pepper them and put a little garlic powder, however you like them seasoned. Barbecue rub is a great like all-purpose rub that really good. So I'm just going to flip these babies over, give them a little bit more olive oil on this side. This is just one to help the rub stick and, you know, give us a little bit more flavor on the chicken. Again, we're going to give them some rub. And I'm going to go ahead and plug in the grill. So the grill is all heated up. We put the grill plates on here. We put the griddle plates over there. Eric washed them up and they washed up super easy, right? We are going to do this panini style. So I just have this down so we can get our chicken on here first. Ooh, nice sizzle. You can make pieces of chicken as big or as thick as you want. I made these small because we kind of have small brioche buns, so they're going to fit perfectly. We have a little extra pieces here. This thing holds a lot. Surprisingly, it holds a lot more than some of the other ones that I've used. So we're gonna go ahead and put the panini part down. Ooh, and it's gonna cook from both sides. And it'll cook really fast. So as soon as they're done, we'll be back. Wow, these cook really fast. We just tempt them. I'm telling you, it was only on there for minutes. We tempt them, and they're reading like,
Hi.
yeah, 180. They're ready to come off. That was like only minutes.
Look how juicy they are.
They are juicy. Oh my gosh. Look at those. They look fantastic. That was like so much faster than I thought it would be. Wow.
You gotta keep your eye on them.
You gotta keep your eye on them. Look at that. Take a little smidgen. They're so juicy and they look fantastic. So I have some brioche buns here. I'm just gonna place them here on the grill, and we're gonna toast these babies up, and then we'll make our chicken sandwich. Okay, we're ready to assemble our sandwich. I actually cooked some French fries in the air fryer over there to go along with our sandwich. So I'm gonna put a little bit of mayo on here, or a lot of mayo, because that's how we like it, right? And put some on this top bun. Okay. It's looking good, guys. Okay, so we got some goodness over here. We have our bacon. Yum. Woo! This is one.
That's one.
These are hot off the grill. And we have our chicken. Wow. So let's see. Let's get us a nice piece of chicken here. Yum. Yeah. Now we're talking. I'm going to put some of our bacon on here. How about that?
Sure.
How about a lot of bacon?
Oh, I don't know.
Do you want a bacon sandwich? Are we making a chicken sandwich or a BLT?
You know, show restraint once in a while, boo-boo.
Uh-huh. I'm going to put on a couple slices of avocado. Right? And we're going to put a big, juicy slice of tomato. Yeah. And now we have some leaf lettuce, just like my hamburger. I'm going to poke the lettuce through so it's peeking through our bun. This smells fantabulous.
Chick-fil-A ain't got nothing on you.
We're gonna top it with this brioche bun. So there's our beautiful chicken sandwich. We're gonna load our chicken sandwich up with a nice serving of some French fries. Oh my gosh. These are my favorite French fries. Frozen French fries. But tasty nonetheless. Wow. And we're going to put a little side of my honey mustard sauce. This is the sauce. Oh my gosh, I love this. I will put a link for this in the description. So now it's time to take a taste. Start off with some French fries. Ooh, yeah. Love that honey mustard sauce. I'll put a link to it down in the description or up here. It's fantastic. I feel like I'm in a restaurant. And the star of the show, we got chicken, bacon, avocado, lettuce, and tomato. A grilled chicken sandwich right off of the Deik Grill. Fantastic. I love a chicken sandwich. And a lot of times, you're going to go to a restaurant and pay $12. This right here, we only use 2 chicken breasts. We butterfried them, cut them. Literally, you can make 4 sandwiches out of that. So, it's definitely cost effective to eat the stuff at home. And frankly, it tastes better. That's really good. Chicken's nice and juicy. The bacon. It's all over me. And I don't even care. Right? It's that good. The Deik Contact Grill did a great job. Cooked that chicken faster than I thought it would. It's nice and juicy. We had little grill marks on it. We made the bacon on there as well. It's great that there's 2 grills on it because the griddle and the grill, because you can use a grill on one side and a griddle and do 2 different things. You can do grill. You can do griddle. Cook a whole meal on there. The only clunky thing that I saw is the top plate was a little hard to get off. And sometimes when it was really hot, we couldn't get it off, obviously. But the bottom grill was easier to take off than the top one. But I think they both heat evenly and the same. Some of the problems I've seen with contact grills like this is they don't heat the same. Like the top doesn't heat and the bottom heats, but the top doesn't heat as much. And I didn't really find that with this one. I felt like they both heated about the same. I think it's larger than other types of contact grills that I've used. I think it's a great little griddle or grill. It definitely made an outstanding chicken sandwich. Once again, thank you, Deik, for sending this. I really appreciate it. Links for that will be down in the description. And yeah, I'm getting ready to go eat the rest of the sandwich. So if you like this video, please subscribe below. Give me a like and a comment. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. You can also catch me on social media at Pinterest and Twitter at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy. Oh man, this is so good. Fantastic.